Hello everyone, this is Janit Furniture Anil here. The showroom is located in Bagalur Main Road. This we have our new stock arrivals one with a 3-2 and divider. In this we have used solid limit frame and 40 density foam, and fabric we have used Italian fabric velvet, and bottom leg is MS steel with a golden plumbing one. Along with this we'll have this ceramic coffee table with powder coated wooden base in the bottom. We have a customization option. You can customize design, color, model. We have lot of varieties of sofa. You can check out. This is our showroom outlet. You can visit our showroom directly. Showroom is located in Bagalur Main Road, near Koshish College, near the main road. I'll give a number in screen. You can contact me. Just send hi in WhatsApp. You'll get all the details.